Hello again. Okay, now in phonics, we are going to continue working page 157. In exercise 1, circle the special sounds as we did before on the other exercises. And in exercise 2, we have 3 words to choose from. We will use only 2 to complete the sentences in here. Read the sentences with them and have them choose the word. Then go to the next page, 158, and then continue here, the vowel sound, and you will go this way. Dre-e-e-s, dre-e-e-s, do-o-o-ol, do-o-o-ol, gra-a-a-as, gra-a-a-as, ko-o-o-off, ko-o-o-off, cli-i-i-ip, cli-i-i-ip, we-e-e-l, we-e-e-l. And then they will circle the vowel sound. In this part in here, the special sounds, you are going to read the special sound and then say the name of the pictures to the side. Okay? The first one is sk, sk. Next one, kl, kl. And the last one, trrr, trrr. Then you say the name of the picture in here, okay? And you say sk, sk, skirt, sk, sk, skirt. Wash bowl, wash bowl. Sk, sk, skates, sk, sk, skates. Then ask him or her, which two has the same beginning special sound, and she should fill in the circle under the two that are the same. Do the same with the kl and the tr sound, okay? And then you will be done. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.